All right, multiplying polynomials, part 2, Punnett Square Method. So we're going to have some tougher examples on this one. The first one is going to be two binomials. So that means we're going to have two things inside each set of parentheses. So we're going to draw a 2 by 2 square. And we put the 2x and the 3 on the left side and the 3x and the minus 7 on the top. And then we multiply the inside. So we've got 2x times 3x gives us 6x squared. 2x times negative 7 equals negative 14x. 3 times 3x equals 9x. And 3 times negative 7 equals negative 21. And then we write it out as 6x squared minus 14x plus 9. I'm sorry, minus 14x plus 9x minus 21. Combine like terms. And we get 6x squared minus 5x minus 21. For number 2, we've got a plus 3 times a minus 4. That's a 2 by 2. So we write it out. A and 3 on the left, a and negative 4 on the top, and a times a is going to give us a squared. A times negative 4 is going to give us negative 4a. 3 times a equals 3a, and 3 times negative 4 equals negative 12. When we write it out, we can combine the negative 4a and the 3a to give us negative a. So we get a squared minus a minus 12. For the next one, we've got x plus 3 times 6x minus 4. It's another 2 by 2. 6x minus 2, sorry, and it's a 2 by 2. And then we're just lining them up and multiplying them again. So in the first box, we're going to get 6x squared, and then negative 2x, and then 18x and negative 6. Combine the negative 2x and the 18x to get 6x squared plus 16x minus 6. For number 4, we have x minus 3 squared. This is where people always mess up, so be super careful. So think whenever we say that something is squared, we are going to be drawing a square. We cannot distribute that squared. So if you get x squared minus 9 or x squared plus 9, that answer is wrong, okay? So we're going to write it out as x minus 3 times x minus 3. And then we're going to do the 2 by 2 Punnett square. And inside each box, we're going to get x squared, negative 3x, and then positive 9 because we have negative 3 times negative 3. So that's going to give us x squared minus 6x plus 9. For number 5, we're going to have a binomial times a trinomial. So x plus 3 times x squared minus 5x plus 4. So we're going to draw a 2 by 3 rectangle. We're going to put the x plus 3 on the left and the x squared minus 5x plus 4 on the top. And then we are going to multiply each box again. Remember that x times x squared is going to give us x cubed. Remember, we add the exponents. Then when we write it all out, we're going to have two sets of like terms. So the negative 5x squared and 3x squared, and then the 4x and negative 15x get combined. And our answer ends up being x cubed minus 2x squared minus 11x plus 12. Two more. So the next one is another binomial times a trinomial. So it's going to be a 2 by 3 rectangle. Pay attention to your exponents. And so in the first box, we're going to end up with negative 6x to the 4th, and then 15x squared, negative 18x, 8x cubed, negative 20x, and 24. And then our only like terms there are the negative 18x and the negative 20x. So those combined to equal negative 38x. And we have to rearrange a little bit to put it in standard form, which is the highest exponent to the lowest exponent. That's why that 8x cubed moves to the left. But the 15x squared is still there. Last one we've got is the area of a rectangle. The sides are going to be 2n plus 6 and 4n plus 1. To find the area of a rectangle, we multiply the length times the width. So we're going to end up multiplying 4n plus 1 times 2n plus 6, which is a 2 by 2. And when we write it out, we get 8n squared plus 24n plus 2n plus 6. The 2n and the 24n are like terms, so we end up with 8n squared plus 26n plus 6.